Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I put in this clear door glass right here. There's going to be a giveaway in this video as well, so stay tuned to the end to find out what you can win. There are only two places in the country that I'm aware of that do this. One is Ultimate Airstream and the other is Ronnie Dennis at Airstream Nuts Bolts. While him and I were sitting down doing our interview video, he was talking about the glass, and I said, if you have any, I'd love to buy some. So I was going to take it with me and put it in, but he does not allow to do that because he buck rivets it back in, and I don't have the ability to buck rivet it back in. I could have done Olympic rivets and shaved them down and done all that, but the buck rivet is the way to go. So I don't even know if Ultimate Airstream does the buck rivets. I just know they have the glass. So they're the only two places in the nation, again, that I know that do it. And Ronnie doesn't ship glass anywhere, doesn't let anybody do it. So he said, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right. Now, he trusts me and knows that I can do the maintenance, so he allows me to disassemble and take out the old glass and disassemble the door and get it all prepped to do it. So him and Tara could come behind me and do the buck rivet. Now, if you've never done buck rivets with somebody, until you've done it a while and you know the process with each other, is kind of like a dance. So that's why him and Tara did it. They were able to do it super fast. The prep work, as in most things, is the biggest part. So I drilled out the old rivets, took off the insulation, took off the interior door skin, and was able to put all those things back when I was done. The shade that goes along with it right here, this is on the inside of the screen door. Now, Ronnie does the shade and he does the door glass, or he does both. I just got the shade from him and took that and did it later. And you'll see also in this video my buddy Tim, and you've seen him in a number of videos recently. Tim from Cross Country RV Solutions. He came by with a piece of aluminum, and him and I were able to put the shade on the door here. And he just got him a door glass too. So you can look for that in his social media channels. But it's a wonderful option. Now, I've seen it many times. I saw it last time I was at Airstream Nuts and Bolts, and I've seen it on a couple other rigs across social media. So it's a wonderful, wonderful idea. It's a wonderful thing to be able to do. The glass is the same glass company who makes the original glass. Standing outside, you can't even tell. It looks the same. The tinting is the same, so to speak. But standing in here, as you can see out the window there, I can see who's at my door. It allows much more light in, and particularly in this model, like I've got the wraparound windows back here and the big windows over on this side, but this wall is largely absent of windows except for these two right here. Now, when I have the door open, I could not see out those windows, but now I can because I can see straight through the door glass. And now with both of these sets of windows right here, it lets much more light in from this side of the trailer as well. So it's a really nice, handy upgrade, and I'm really, really happy with it. If you are going through Dadeville, Alabama, and you can stop in and get your door glass done, it's a labor-intensive job. It takes a while to drill out all the rivets, as you'll see in this video, but reach out to Airstream Nuts and Bolts and see if you can get the door glass done. It gets the 100% Brad stamp of approval. Now, Blair was not with me when I made this purchase, but I called her after I had already gone down the path, and I said, hey, babe, you might have to work an extra shift again. And she said, what'd you do this time? So I'll put a door glass in. And she goes, oh, I 100% approve of that already. So this is a wonderful thing that we both talked about for a while, and glad we are able to get it done. I'm grateful to Ronnie and Tara, his wife. Thanks for letting me sit down and be a part of your day, and really great to see everybody and get this door glass in. So hope you enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, as always, please reach out. And all right, I've removed the door handle, the interior trim, and the interior door skin, and my little plexiglass stickers there. Removed the insulation, and then I get to work on drilling out all of the buck rivets. This is the longest and most labor-intensive part. It takes a while. Get you some cutting oil and get these rivets drilled out. It does take a while to do this. So all the tools, the drills, the drill bits, and all the things that I have available are linked down below in the video description. They're from Amazon. All the things I could find on Amazon. So once I got that out, I was able to remove the door glass. It was still stuck at the top right here, but I got those drilled out just a little bit more and was able to pull this thing right out. And then I turned the glass over to Ronnie. He took the screw out of here, separated the bottom of the frame, and with great difficulty pulled this glass out of the frame get the new glass, get it all lined up, get the rubber seal around it, and put it back in there, and then go get some clamps and clamp this frame back together. This is impossible to do without clamps unless you are the strongest human on earth. We make sure the rubber seal was all sorted out, cleaned it up a little bit, and then going to do the buck rivets now. Tara came over and they set up and got their buck rivet tools and their clecos and lined all the window up and started the buck riveting process.
So you're good. I'm just going to put a few in and get it started.
All right.
Let me know when you're ready.
You ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Good?
Yeah.
Ready?
Hit it.
Good? Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Skip. Catch.
Got it.
I'm going to see.
Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Hit it.
Ready?
Go.
They made quick work of the buck rivets, and then it was back over to me to put the insulation back in, put the door skin on, rivet the door skin back in. I had a little jam and my rivet gun, got that sorted out. Then you put the frame back in, put all the screws back in the frame, reattach the door handle. Then I put my plexiglass back on here with my door stickers, and there's the door glass looking good. And again, a huge thank you to Ronnie and Tara for your hospitality, and always wonderful to see you guys. Can't wait to see you again. All right, I do have a giveaway in this video. It's a portable solar generator. If you're on YouTube right now, you can see there's a link up here in the video where you can click on that. Otherwise, you can see that video if you search our YouTube channel for this name right here on the bottom. And I'm going to give that solar generator away. All you have to do to enter to win is go to our website, 13adventures.com, click on the Contact Us link, then type in your name, your email address, and then type in solar generator. 72 hours after this video releases, I will announce the winner. After that, no more entries are accepted. Thank you all for continuing to make us a part of your day. Love you all. Hope to see you on the road. Happy adventures, everybody. Bye.